Is your 2003 Honda Accord's alarm system going off randomly? You're not alone. This is one of the most common issues reported by owners of this model. First, consider the age of your vehicle. Your 2003 Honda Accord is now over 20 years old, and many components are failing simply due to age and environmental factors like moisture and corrosion. There are four main causes of alarm system problems in your Honda Accord: door ajar sensor malfunctions, hood switch failures, key fob programming issues, and battery-related complications. Door ajar sensors are magnetic switches in each door frame that often fail due to corrosion or misalignment. You'll notice the alarm triggering even when doors appear properly closed, or dashboard warnings showing doors are open. Key fob malfunctions prevent proper alarm disarming. The most common issue is a dead CR2032 battery, but programming can also be lost, requiring reprogramming to restore proper function. The good news is that many of these alarm issues can be fixed with simple DIY solutions, saving you hundreds of dollars in dealer repair costs. Most fixes require only basic tools and can be completed in your driveway. The easiest fix for alarm problems starts with your key fob battery. Replace the CR2032 battery annually to prevent most remote control issues. After replacing the battery, you need to reprogram your key fob. This step-by-step procedure will restore proper communication between your remote and the alarm system. Next, inspect and clean your door and hood sensors. Corrosion and dirt buildup are common causes of false alarms. Use electrical contact cleaner to restore proper sensor function. The hood switch is a frequent culprit for random alarm triggers. Located on the driver's side hood latch, this switch often fails due to corrosion or misalignment. Check your car battery voltage, which should be 12.6 volts or higher when the engine is off. Low voltage can cause alarm malfunctions and false triggers. For intermittent problems, monitor your system during temperature changes and check for loose ground connections. These issues often occur when components expand and contract with weather changes.